guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you had a good Christmas and a good happy new year, or should I say happy new year. So today we're back with the braiding video. I feel like that's always how I start my braiding videos, but today we are doing Narcissa braids, or should I say Narcissa? I think it's Narcissa braids, which is basically where you have two colors split in the middle. So you have like blonde at the bottom and then black at the top, or you can also change the colors you want depending on which colors you want. But today we are doing blonde at the bottom. This is color 217. Is it? I don't have the pack with me anymore, but I'll put the colors name anyway. And then I've got like a pack, so I prepared it yesterday, stretched it. It's looking quite like it's quite stiff, to be honest. It's not flowy at all, but hopefully when we put it in water, will be fine. I should probably clarify that I'm doing my sister's braids, not my braids. But yeah, she have blonde at the bottom and probably split it at the top of her ears, and then black covering it on top. And this is color one is pre-stretched, so that's good. And yeah, that's all. Obviously I've already got like a proper braiding video of how I braid my sister's hair or my hair. I'll probably link them somewhere, or yeah, probably link them down below if you want to see other braiding videos. But as I said in previous videos, I'm doing this braiding series where it's not really like a tutorial, but like, say if you think, if you're thinking of getting braids but you don't know what braids to get, maybe you can look at my channel and be like, oh, that looks cute, maybe I can get that. But obviously I will show a little bit of how I do it again, and then just take you throughout the day with me. Kind of the size of the braids we're doing is gonna be medium small. In the previous videos I feel like we did small, but this time it's gonna be medium small. So yeah, I'll take you through with me through the video, just film clips here and there, and I hope you like it. So I'll see you at the end. So after I combed the hair and put hair food and baby gel to make the edges slick, we started with blonde. As you can tell from the video, she has a bit of new growth, but she doesn't want to texturize her hair yet. She's gonna stretch a little bit more. I also wanted to add that I didn't tuck her hair in on the first 4 lines, but I did tuck her hair inside for the last line, so stay tuned to see how I did that. just wanted to show you how I tucked her hair in. I'm not sure if it will make sense, but I basically just took a piece of the blonde and covered the black hair and kept braiding, and somehow it just went, her hair went at the back of the braid and not at the front. So that's literally all I did. As you can see, her hair is showing at the back of the braid but not at the front. I didn't tuck it in from the start. I haven't mastered how to do that yet, but I'm happy that the ends of the braid look more blonde than the rest. So once we reached the top part of her hair, that's when we decided to switch to black and just repeated the same process and braided until all the hair was done. So after many hours, we were finally done. This was probably midnight. I just put the hair in boiling water, made sure it was still the top because you don't want stiff braids. Stiff braids are not cute. You want flowy braids. So yes, just cut the ends to make it blunt. Also put a hot towel at the top to make it all soft and mousse. So I'll show you the end results soon, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.
I mean, we could just go across the street to the park right here.